there! I'm back with some style videos. We have a new collection out. It's called Earth, Wind, and Fire. And this is one of the beautiful colors that is coming out. This is our antique white representing our wind. And this is the Nicole top. So this is one of my first tops that I actually made for Nordstrom, and it was a top that I had been craving and I wanted to bring back, so you know, might as well, right? So this is Nicole. If you're familiar with my brand, you remember I kind of made an asymmetrical Nicole where like half of this was cut out. Nobody really likes that, so I went back to kind of the original. So she's got a great scoop neck and a nice cap sleeve, and she's a little oversized. She's got the bust dart, so it does really shape in very nicely. And we have this little cute little hem detail, which is fun, right? Because you know how I like to do my asymmetrical side ties, so you could definitely do that with Nicole. You could do one side, both sides. I like a good asymmetrical top. Or because she's got the side slits, you can do the half tuck that's a little different, where you actually tuck in the two sides, not the center front, and that kind of makes that really nice kind of soft tuck, and it still gives you this really cute tuck in the back. And then what I love about Nicole, or just a really great cap sleeve, is they're really great tops to layer under our jackets, like our Diana blazer. So super cute, really easy. And this color, this antique white, is just a really beautiful, like soft cream color. So it's kind of like whole milk, maybe a little half and half kind of color. So I think it's gonna be like one of your favorite white colors because it just feels really elevated. And I feel like Nicole's gonna be one of your favorite tops because this is just a great layering top that you can put things over. Yeah, she's just super fun and super slouchy, and you can do whatever you want. You can even do like a one tuck. Yeah, you know how I love to do that. Oh my god, so cute. So anyways, go check out Nicole. We have another new top coming out as well. This is our new collection called the Earth, Wind, and Fire collection. So I hope to see you very, very soon. Thank you so much for being here. I will talk to you soon. Have a beautiful day, you guys. Bye.